Alright, so everybody has their patient charts?
Yep.
So everybody knows what we're doing?
I think so.
I know.
I don't know. I mean, I got the acuity of my patients is just, I feel like we should split it up a little. I can't take somebody on a vent. I got, you know.
What did I give you? That's what you have. I'm not switching around
I can't.
patient charts.
I can't do that. I mean, look, they don't even have anybody that they have.
Whatever.
I
mean,
Oh,
we
you
have a
can't
hard
handle
one.
it? You've
I
been
know.
here for what, 2 years? You can tell me you can handle
I
it?
had 7 patients yesterday right out of post-op. I mean, they were critical.
They do this every time. I'm sick of it. I mean, this is they get.
How old are we? Come on, let's get this together.
I'm sorry.
The way I have this is the way we're gonna
You're
do it.
laughing at me. They're laughing at me.
I'm not laughing at
Yes,
you.
they are. I saw her.
Not
She's laughing
No,
at me.
no, you guys need to
Because
stop
you
right
think
now.
you know everything?
Stop acting like little babies. I'm sick and tired of it.
I'm sick and tired of her. She knows everything.
How come every time you always boss us around and you always tell us what to do, none of us come
Who's
up
the
with it.
leader?
They're laughing at me.
Apparently,
again.
she's the leader.
I'm the leader. I'm the
Yeah,
leader.
me.
This is what you have.
Okay.
We're gonna take care of our patients first.
They die.
We're gonna do our ventilators. You're gonna do what you're gonna have to do.
Sam's stupid. She can't handle it.
And now they're picking on me, and you're the boss. So
Well, you can just I mean, if you don't think you can handle it, then you can escape.
I'll call an ambulance. So.
Guess you will, 911.